A customer brought in a Roborock S5 with error 9, Dustbin not installed message, even when Dustbin is already installed by customer. So our team disassembled the robot vacuum into several parts. Wow! Take a look at this. Lots of dust and dirt on all sides of this robot vacuum. Even the LiDAR is filled with a lot of dust. It can clog. Lots of hair and fur stuck in the front wheel. Unbelievable. A lot of dust stuck to the battery. And wow, this part is like a dust party. OMG, the fan part is full of dust. We discovered that the internal parts and sensors were plagued by dirt and dust, hindering the robot vacuum's proper functioning. After that, we replaced the filter and did a deep cleaning service. We leave no dust particle unturned, deep cleaning every nook and cranny. You won't believe it. It looks like new again. Are you having the same problem? Contact us today.